Enjoy ice-cold refreshment whenever you wish with this Haier Fridge Freezer whilst providing you with convenient food storage. You'll be able to provide yourself and the whole family with refreshing chilled water perfect for hot days in the garden thanks to its integrated water dispenser. You can use it right away without needing any extra plumbing. Simply fill the internal water tank and it's ready to go. You'll be able to maintain your fruit and vegetables' freshness whilst keeping their nutrients locked in thanks to humidity zone. You can store your food hassle-free without ever having to worry about ice build-up thanks to total frost-free technology.